Oh, I just can't wait to be king. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing like a 2019 hygiene routine video, and basically I'm going to be showing you what I use to shave, what I use for like skincare, and like how I exfoliate, and basically like all the products I use in like the shower. I feel like my routine is kind of basic, and like I feel like I don't have that many things, but I have really sensitive and dry skin, and I don't know, I feel like the more products I use, the more I break out and look gross. So I don't know, I'm sorry, I just saw like a big ass bird. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with like what I do for my face, and I don't do that much. Like I don't use like a face wash. So what I use in the morning and at nighttime is witch hazel with a cotton ball. This is the Humphreys witch hazel. You can use like the one from like Walmart or Target, which is like 99 cents, but this one was literally $6. So I get a couple drops of this onto a cotton ball, and I just wipe it on my face after a shower in the morning, and so much fucking dirt comes off. Like, I didn't realize I was that dirty. So to shave my face, I use this razor. It is the Schick Extreme 4. They have like the 4 blades. I will literally just use like whatever I have. I'll even like sometimes use like soap or conditioner. It really just depends, and I'll just put it on my face. I shave on my forehead, my mustache. I literally grow like a really like small amounts of hair, but I still want to be hairless. So I shave like here, and literally here too. I really want to try those like really expensive razors that have like 6 blades, but they're like $15. So I just use the ones that are like $6 or like $8. So something else I do to like shave and like exfoliate my face is actually use this like eyebrow razor. This came in a pack of 3 from Daiso, and basically what I do is put coconut oil on my face, and then I literally just like shave like this, and I can see the dead skin and like the hair coming off. I just kind of do this when I'm like bored or have a lot of free time, and I don't know, I probably do it like once a month or like every 2 weeks. It just really depends. And then like lastly for my face, what I use to moisturize is the Cetaphil moisturizing lotion for body and face. So my skin is sensitive, as I said like 8 times in this video, and I have tried like the Pond's, I don't remember, like I've tried like 5 different moisturizers and they all break me out. So basically this one has no like fragrance. It's like dermatologist recommended, and it has vitamin E and B5, and this one is just really good. I just don't put it on my forehead and nose because those parts get really like oily. So moving on, I'm going to be talking about what I use to brush my teeth and how I wipe my teeth. I use a basic toothbrush, so I don't think that like really matters. And then the toothpaste that I use is the Crest 3D White Radiant Mint Anti-Cavity Toothpaste. It says it removes up to 80% of surface stains. I don't even know if it really does, but I've been using it for like a while now. I'm running out, but I have like a couple more in like my bathroom, so it's fine. Sometimes I also use baking soda to brush my teeth just to like whiten them, and I don't know, I just saw it somewhere and I have been doing it ever since. I do it like every 3 days, or like whenever I just like feel like doing it, but I heard that if you do it too much it's like really bad for your enamel, so don't do it like every day. This is the floss I use. It is the Aim Precision. It's literally from like Dollar Tree. I do not recommend this though, but I always get the one that has like this shape because I don't like the actual string, because I don't know, it's just like uncomfortable to use. I floss every single night and brush my teeth, so I don't know, it's very important. What I use to whiten my teeth is this Plus White 5-minute speed whitening gel. I saw this at Walmart. I think it was like $7. It was in a kit, and I tried it out, and oh my god, it's so dark. It's literally like a clear gel, and basically you put it onto a mouth tray that it comes with. If you buy like the kit, you could buy like just this, and it also comes with like a mouthwash to like keep the stains out or something, but I literally don't know where it is. So what it says on the back is you use this twice a day for 2 weeks straight, and then after that you just do it like once a week or like every 2 weeks, because you don't want your teeth to like fall out. The next section of The next section of this video is about my hair. I have really thick, dark hair. I don't really use anything special because I don't have curly hair or anything. So these are the 2 things that I use. I use this Head and Shoulders shampoo. I have dandruff. It's very annoying. Like I will literally just be minding my own business in class, and then I see like white flakes on my paper, and it's disgusting! This is the conditioner that I use. It's the Dove Nourishing Rituals Coconut and Hydration Conditioner. I don't know, I just thought it looked and smelled good, so I got it. I use this on a day, and then the next day I use this, and I like alternate the days. I don't really know why, and I also heard that it's really bad to like shampoo every day. So I stopped, and I don't know. I mean, it works. My hair gets so greasy if I don't like shampoo or condition or like do something with it for like a day, and it's very annoying. And then I get a lot of dandruff, and it's literally fucking disgusting. So the last section of this video is about my body. That was so nasty. This is so humiliating. So to wash my body, I use the Olay Beauty Bar, I think it's called. I don't know why it's not focusing. Okay. I think it's just like for your face, but I use it all over my body. This creates less waste, so I'm saving the earth in a little way. I use this to exfoliate my body. It is the Battery Let's Spa Purify like sponges. So it comes with 4 of these like sponges. 2 of them are like this rough like charcoal thing, and then 2 of them are like more softer. I'm using one of these in the shower, so I don't want to like, get it out because it's like drying. I will wet this and I put soap on it, and I just do this all over my body. And to exfoliate my face, I basically just get the tip and I don't go as hard as the rest of my body. And then to moisturize my body, I use the same thing that I use for my face. It's just the Cetaphil one for body and face. I think it's like $10 at Target for the 16 ounce. And then at Walmart, like the smaller one is $10, so you can get a bigger version at Target, I think. If I'm wrong, please do not sue me. So the last part of this video is shaving my body. I use the same razor that I use for my face. So, you know, a nice clean 4-blade razor. I shave my arms. I shave like the back of my neck. I shave my chest and my stomach. And then I shave my ass. And I also started shaving my legs recently. I don't know why. I don't know, the hair was looking really gross and long, and I was like, I don't know, I feel like shaving. I use the same bar soap to shave just because I don't like shaving cream. My skin is really sensitive, and I don't know. I mean, it works kind of, but it also just is kind of unnecessary. For my arms, I just like to get the soap and then I shave down and up. Then for my chest, I shave like up and down. It really just, you know, depends. And then for like my stomach, I just shave like this, like up and down and to the side. I just kind of do it until I see no hair. To shave my, you know, I basically use olive oil, which sounds weird, but it's the best thing that I've ever used. I think I'm gonna try like coconut oil, but I heard that it like clogs the razor and that like the razor stops working. So, but basically I've been using olive oil for about 4 months, and it is the best thing ever. I have tried just shaving with shaving cream. I have tried conditioner, shampoo, soap, and nothing works. Like I keep getting razor bumps and ingrowns, and it was just literally disgusting. And I saw someone doing a video and they were like, oh, I use olive oil. And I was like, maybe that'll work. What I do is I get a little like bowl with olive oil. When it's time, like I do it towards the end, so I let like the hair, you know, kind of get more soft from the hot water. I get the olive oil, I pour it onto my hands, I put it on the area, and I shave up, just because if I shave down, I just notice that I don't get as much of a good shave, and literally my hair goes back so fast. Like by the end of the day, it's already like visible, which is really annoying. And then to shave like the outside of my ass, I literally just use soap. And then to shave the inside, I also use soap. I try to be very careful because if I cut there, that's just not it. But I'm naturally not very hairy, which I'm so thankful for. I think it's because I'm Asian, and also just because like I guess it doesn't run in my family. Anyways, that was the video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I hope that like you find some of these products kind of like intriguing and you try them and that it works for you. I don't know, I feel like I don't do too much. Oh, I forgot to mention, I actually don't use deodorant, which sounds nasty because I sweat a lot, but I have tried literally all of them and I break out. I've tried the spray, like the normal one, I've tried a natural one, I've tried like the more chemical one, and they all break me out, so I don't use that, but I still think I don't smell terrible, so I don't know, I think it's fine. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are new, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Flying high like the birds and the bees, and we'll fill the sky with the songs and the trees, 'cause we're buzzing, buzzing.